Hello, today I'm going to be showing you TigerTech CNC router model TR408AD. This is a mid-range CNC normally used around the world for woodworking, sign making and general CNC router industrial applications. This machine's new design that we have is one of the heaviest of its kind. This separates it from the normal or the regular machines in this market. The structure is much more heavier and stronger, so it reduces vibration and other advantages it has regarding precision. This machine is already used in 5 continents with dealers in 60 different countries. So it is a very successful machine with very successful customers around the world. To some countries, to mention some of the well-known countries around the world, we have Korea, the United States. So in Europe we have France, we have Italy, we have Sweden. In Asia we have India, Russia, United Arab Emirates, Australia. We have in Africa, South Africa, we have Nigeria. And in Latin America, we have Mexico and Chile, among many other countries that I will not mention to not make it so long. Going into a little bit of technical aspects of the machine, this machine can operate at travel speeds of up to 40 meters per minute. That's 40,000 millimeters per minute. If you're talking in servo motors, you can go up to 60 meters per minute, and the accuracy of the machine can go up to plus minus 50 microns. That means when you cut your pieces, you can expect the size to be in between plus minus 50 microns. Other advantages of the machine are you have electro valves. These electro valves are good for dividing the sections of your vacuum table for holding your material. Many other machines in the market use regular valves. These electro valves make your life easier and are more reliable when talking about the configuration and the quality. Now, another advantage of this machine is, as you can see, there is no cabinet to the side. The cabinet is placed behind the machine. This really helps you when you want to load and unload the material. So you can rest assured that the space in your warehouse will be perfectly well used, as you won't have any waste of space with a cabinet on the side. Also, TigerTech can fit the machine with different option of spindles. These spindles can range from 2.2 to 9 kilowatts. You have options from China, you have options from Italy. All that has to do with your market budget. Also, we have the option to use stepper motors for moving. You can use servo motors for moving. We have other options for vacuum. You can use vacuum table for holding the material, or you can use clamps for holding the material. Those are the 2 options. When talking about vacuum pumps, you can pick from different types of vacuum pumps, and you also have the option to use higher power or less power vacuum pumps. Another advantage that you have with TigerTech is the components. Components that are used are high quality components, always genuine components, and these components have been proved in the market, in real life, in industrial scenarios to be the best in durability. How can we guarantee all this quality? Well, CNC Router is so far the only company that will give all its dealers 3 years of warranty from delivery of the machine. So why CNC Router from TigerTech? Well, it's a smart choice around the world. Thank you.